So we're at back at Ampney Crucis today. Very wet. Covers have come off though. Sun's out. A bit of a wind, so we shall be underway in a few minutes. Opposition here. Thought it was 1 o'clock start. Well, I don't think we're going to start at 1. Ready to go. But it's going to be marked out. Players arriving for this afternoon's match. Nomads have won the toss and asked Sutton Benger to bat. Dry and wind. Covers are now off, as you can see. Tucked behind the pavilion. Wicket is very green. Just about got a mower on it, so it'll be interesting to see what happens. Sleeping field, that's the cricket ground here at Ampney Crucis. Joel's batting, so they've moved further away. Must have known he was playing. Close boundary there, there could be a few balls disappearing into this field. But you can watch it all on AB Sports 1. See, if you haven't subscribed to that channel, get across and subscribe. Ampney Crucis is in the background here. That's where the village is up there. Wrong at Ampney Crucis. He's getting soaked. About 10 minutes, I reckon.
What is that? You wait. It's about there you go. What a hard work.
Push it off.
Put a second in it.
Get going. Grab a drink and then push it off. Stop raining now.
I chased and ran the shit for it.
Camera's coming off now. Bright sunshine. Break of about 10 minutes, that's all. Coming straight at me. Aiming for the gap. Good decision, I reckon this is. There they come. It's one of them off. Players going back onto the pitch slowly. Sheep are coming back out as well. Look at that. Decided get some more sunshine. Come out from under the shelter. This video ought to be fun with the covers. Well, I suspect they'll go back on again today. But if you want to watch the game, that this was You'll have to go to AB Sports. Nomads versus Sutton Benger. 6th of August 2023. Be underway shortly. So back to AB Sports 1. Just the black sheep of the family. There's more than one. Back to the cricket. There ain't any. Trying to brush them off at the moment.
Look at it, you see it doing it.
Everybody hopeful for cricket. Sun's out. Clouds seem to have dispersed, but very wet on the square right now. I don't know if there's going to be any cricket later on, but of course if there is, you can watch it on AB Sports. Wants to be in the photo. There you go. Another one. Some more coming.